The beauty of theater is that it is a personal experience for everyone. And when you are there and you get to see this thing unfolding in front of you, it just sucks you into it. You can't help it, it just happens. I can think of so many examples where I have seen people who are coming for the first time who walk out being like, that was amazing. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to come back. It's awesome. The Balboa Theatre opened in 1924 as a vaudeville theater. It was brought back to life in 2008 after a meticulous restoration. San Diego Theatres is honored to take care of this historic landmark that both the performers and the community love.
On an emotional level, I'm kind of an evangelist for this kind of thing. I want people to love it like I do. I don't think they could because I'm obsessed with it, but just appreciate it. And having a venue like this, a true 20s movie palace, this is what these were made to work in. There's a reason why it was the entertainment back in the day.
If you have never been to the theater, you have to go. To be able to experience something right in front of you that you've only seen through some other medium changes the experience.